What you're seeing here heat up a cooking pot or frying pan and add 1.5 tablespoons of oil and turn the heat to medium. When it starts to sizzle, add in half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it heat up till they start popping. Reduce the heat a little bit and mix in the chopped up garlic, onions, curry leaves and pandanus leaves and temper it. Next, transfer the cut up brinjols to the frying pan and stir. Then add 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon curry powder, half a teaspoon of crushed black pepper, 2 small sprigs of cinnamon sticks and salt to taste. Serve into a dish or bowl. And there you have it, tempered brinjal. We hope you tune in again and check out our recipes from Cooking with Mahagedara. Until next time, thank you for watching us.